Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? Doing good? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? நீங்களுக்கு சுகமானோ? Yes, this is Flying Skies One welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. And today's video is on Lava E3 Elements earphones. I have purchased on Amazon stores. This is how the packing was. Please don't skip the video because it has got a hidden feature that made me happy. I think you also will be happy after hearing that. So do watch till the end. These earphones come white in color as shown in the picture. It has got 1.2 meter Tangle free cable. It's a soft and flexible cords that keeps you worry free from wear and tear. I got it on Amazon deals at rupees 100 and this is compatible with all the devices having 3.5mm audio jack. That means you can connect even to feature phones also. The frequency is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. But then 15mm driver size ensures the stereo sound and thumping bass over this wide range of sound frequencies. But I give thumbs down for this because there's no clarity in voice and there's no much of stereo sound and thumping bass, but it's comfortable. It's a perfect fit in your ear, durable and reliable also. There's a microphone given, as you see in the picture, a small hole. As I said earlier, this is compatible with all devices having 3.5mm audio jack. This wire earphones lifts 2 kgs of weight. I haven't tested, but if you want, you can test it. I have connected these earphones to my mobile phone here, as you see in the picture. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. And this is one of the hidden features that I wanted to share. If it falls to the ground any number of times, it works fab, and that's why I have shown practically in the picture by throwing the earphones off my hand to the ground. So how is this hidden feature? Let me know in the comment section. You can purchase, now the deal is on Amazon stores. I'm using this earphone since last 6 months and I think they are durable. If there's any problem, I'll update in the description box. Please view that. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Flying Skies One and keep smiling.